Hi Dress Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Yo-Yo from Cocomelon. So let's get started. To draw a cute Yo-Yo, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right across about this wide and draw another circle. There. So now my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Now that we have the eyes done, let's go ahead and come to the sides right here and just spruce them up a little bit with some lashes. So towards the edge right here, I'm just going to put in just 2 lashes. So right here on the edge, drawing 2 little curves. Then from there, we're going to come up on the top and just go ahead and draw a soft curve over each eye. So same thing over here. There. Then from there, let's give her a big smile. So in between, right here in the center, I'm going to come about right here and draw a really big curved smile and cap it off. There. And then now to frame her face. So I'm going to come to the top of her eye, come out close to these lashes and give myself a point. Same thing here. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw a bottom of a U. So come down, we're going to go around the eye. And so the face is a little bit wider, and so let's see here. I'm just going to kind of imagine this curve. So find my center, and about right here, I'll give myself a point. And I'm just going to go ahead and turn my body a little bit to draw this curve towards my point. So definitely turn your body or the paper, whatever you need to do to help you draw this curve. So we're just going to connect everything. There. Okay. All done. So then from there, we're going to start to draw her bangs. So I'm going to just a bunch of zigzags. So let's bring this up right here. I'm going to bring it in a little bit. And we're going to start with 1 strand. So I'm just going to zigzag, and her hair kind of parts on the side. So I'm just kind of imagining this oval as I draw this. So I'm just going to bring this up. I'm going to go up, and her hair parts about right here. And then from this point, I'm going to bring it across with 1 strand towards the center. I'm going to go up once again, come down towards her brow, and go up, come down. Almost done. 1 more, and 1 last one, and just taper it in right there. Okay, so then from there, let's we know her hair parts here, so I'm going to come up a little bit. So let's see here. Let's come up about right here. I'll just give myself a point. And from here, I'm going to bring a curve down towards about right here. There. And then this part is going to go up, and we're going to bring it all the way back here. So using this point right here, we're going to go up. This part is nice and high, and then we're going to come down and come all the way around. There. So just take a look. You might need to make it a little bit fuller or a little bit flatter. But let's say about right there. And then let's make some sense of these zigzags here. I'm going to extend this part out. Make this one strand. I'm going to bring this part in. Bring in another strand right here and here. There. Okay, so then now that we're done with that, we're going to come back into this space and imagine as we're drawing an ear right here, and we're going to curve in. So same thing over here. Just imagine you're drawing an ear. You're going to pop it out and tuck it in. Then she does have a little bit of her hair showing here, so I'm just going to tuck in a little curve all the way in the back. And then what's really cute about her hairstyle is she has these 3 strands sticking out, right? So let's come about right here. We're going to draw a curve coming down, zigzag, and bring it in. I'll just extend this line for some detail. Then there's this one at the top about right here. Just going to go up and one right there, and then another one. So once again, it's kind of close to the ear. So about right here, just going to zigzag. And one more and just tuck it in. Now that we're done with her head, let's go ahead and finish the body. Oh, and also when we're coloring, just add some freckles right here on her face, like with a really light brown. So I definitely don't want to do it with my Sharpie or else it'll be too dark. But then now that we're done with the head, let's go ahead and draw the body. So right in the center, right here, I'm gonna give her a little neck and then come down, little neck and come down, right there. And let's just go ahead and just round it off for her shoulders. And I'm going to kind of imagine like where her armpit area would be, but let's see. Well, you know what? Let's do this first. Let's make it a little bit easier. Let's come right here and draw a curve, find our center, and I'm going to draw her collar. Then I'm going to bring another curve down for the neckline on her dress. And then let's see here. So I'm going to come about right here. There's a little strap and I'm going to bring it down with a curve. So to about right here. So same thing here, kind of like where her armpit area would be. There, maybe that's a little bit easier. Then from there we can go ahead and we're just going to come down the angle, and let's just kind of flare this dress out. So we're just going to curve it out, bring it down more, to about right there. So now we're about the same level. Let's go ahead and we're just going to draw curve all the way across there to finish it off. And so just notice I'm just curving it, but the center is lowest as we go back up. Then from there she has these little shorts underneath. So this is about our center, so I'm going to come about right here and here, and I'm just going to go ahead and connect for her little pair of shorts. So same thing here. And let's stick some legs out of here. So let's come down. Just work on this side first. So I'm just going to angle it. And we're going to get thinner as we come down. So straight on. Nice and simple. Just go ahead and draw 2 angles, which is a little bit thinner here. And then we're going to flare it out. We're going to flare out for the feet. And round it off and connect. So same thing here. And about right there, you're just going to flare it out round it off. And then flare out and connect. So now to draw the shoes, let's come back right about here, and we're going to draw a curve. And then in this area right on the side, I'm going to draw a circle and then a strap. And this circle is a flower, so I'm not going to erase. I'm just going to go ahead and just try my best to use the lines and create a circle, but definitely if you're using a pencil, just erase whatever you need to create that flower. Just gonna put in a strap. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There. I think this one worked out a little bit better. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and work on the sleeves. So we're just going to have her hands come down to her side. I'm going to bring this down. She's wearing some long sleeves. About here, we're going to use the side of her dress. And about right there, we're going to cut it off. Add a little detail right here, and then let's stick some hands out. So we're going to come straight and then draw a thumb, go around for some fingers, angle and back up. There. So same thing on this side. So I just want to make sure I'm about the same level on the other side. So once again, just bring this down. About right there, connect, little detail, and come down with a line, and then thumb and go around and up. There. And that is, oh no, actually I'm missing a flower right here. Okay, so I'm going to come right here in the center and draw a circle. Try my best here, so small. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 petals right there. And her dress has a bunch of white polka dots, so when you're coloring it with the purple marker, just draw some circles first and then color around to create the polka dots. But that is pretty much it, except I need to give her, no, let's give her a heart. So one of her polka dots will be a heart. I'm just going to put it right here to make her my Drawsuke YoYo from Cocomelon. I really hope you love how this turned out and that I helped you draw her fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Drawsuke videos. See you later.